If you want to create a professional interior design website using WordPress, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional interior design website where you can showcase your portfolio, highlight your services, and start attracting new clients online. I'll walk you through everything step by step, including how to get your domain name, set up hosting, install WordPress, and customize your entire website using simple drag and drop editing. For this tutorial, I'll be using Bluehost because it's beginner friendly, officially recommended by WordPress, and it includes a free domain name, which is perfect if you're launching your website for the first time. And if you want the best Bluehost discount available, click the link in the description below. You'll get an exclusive discount of up to 78% off, plus a free domain name. If you go directly to Bluehost without it, you'll see higher prices. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the best possible deal. Now let's jump in, but first let me show you the exact website you're going to build in this tutorial. So this is the interior design website we're going to create in this video. Right at the top, you have a clean professional hero section where you can introduce yourself as an interior designer and immediately build trust with potential clients. As you scroll down, you can showcase your services so visitors clearly understand what you offer, whether that's residential design, commercial projects, or full service interior design. You'll have a beautiful portfolio section where you can display your past projects and really highlight your work. You can also add testimonials to build your credibility and show potential clients the results you've delivered. And a contact section so visitors can easily reach out and book a consultation with you. This layout is designed to help you not only look professional, but also convert visitors into actual clients. Now let's go ahead and start building your website step by step. The first thing you want to do is get your domain name and hosting. Go to the description below and click the Bluehost link. That link gives you up to 78% off plus a free domain name, and it'll take you directly to the correct pricing page. Once you click it, you'll land on the Bluehost page. From there, click Get Started. Once you click Get Started, you'll see three main plans: Personal, Starter, and E-commerce Essentials. For most of you building an interior design website, the Personal plan is more than enough. It allows you to create one website, includes fast NVMe storage, and is ideal for new or small business sites. If you plan to build multiple websites in the future, then the Starter plan gives you more flexibility with additional websites and more storage. The E-commerce Essentials plan is designed for online stores or websites that need advanced selling features. But again, if you're building one interior design website, the Personal plan is perfectly fine to start with. So I'm going to select the Personal plan. After selecting your plan, you'll be taken to the domain page. This is where you can register a brand new domain name or connect one you already own. If you're starting fresh, just type in the domain name you'd like, something like yourbusinessname.com, and click search to see if it's available. If you already own a domain, select I want to use a domain I already own. And if you're not sure what name you want yet, you can click choose domain later and Bluehost will assign you a temporary domain so you can start building immediately. You'll also see an option for domain privacy plus protection. I personally recommend this. Without it, your name, email, and address are publicly listed in the Whois database. With domain privacy enabled, Bluehost replaces your information with theirs, keeping your personal details private. If you value privacy, it's worth considering. Next, you'll choose your term length. You'll save the most money with the longer terms, like 3 or 4 years, because they offer the biggest discount. The 1-year term still gives you a good discount and includes the free domain. Just keep in mind, the monthly term does not include a free domain and costs the most overall. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the 1-year term. Next, create your account, review the optional add-ons, and enter your payment details. Once you click Submit Payment, Bluehost will finalize your purchase and email your login credentials. After a moment, your hosting account will finish setting up. And the best part, Bluehost automatically installs WordPress for you, so you won't have to manually configure anything. After your account finishes setting up, you'll be taken to your Bluehost dashboard. Under the Websites tab, this is where you manage your website. You'll see your new website listed there. Click Manage, and then click WordPress Admin to log directly into WordPress. Now we're inside WordPress. This is where we'll actually build your interior design website. Now let's install our WordPress theme. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, search for Astra. Astra is lightweight beginner friendly, and works perfectly with Elementor, which is what we'll be using to customize our landscaping website. Click Install, then Activate. And just like that, your new theme is live. Now, instead of building everything from scratch, let me show you how to import a professionally designed interior design website in just a few clicks. Go to Plugins, add Plugin, search for Starter Templates, click Install Now, then Activate. Once the plugin is activated, you'll land on the Welcome to Astra page. Click Exit Guided Setup in the top right. Next, go to Appearance, Starter Templates, select Classic Starter Templates, then click Build with Templates. Next, choose Elementor as your page builder. If a different builder is selected at the top, just switch it to Elementor. Now, you'll see a large library of professionally designed websites. You can search, browse categories, or scroll through the full collection. Hover over the Professionals category and click Interior Designer. This will filter templates specifically designed for interior designers. If you see Premium next to a template, that means it requires the paid version. The free ones will not have that label. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose the template called Interior Designer. Once you select a template, you'll have the option to upload a logo, choose fonts, set brand colors. If you don't have those ready yet, that's completely fine. We can customize everything later. Click Continue. On the Select Features page, you can choose additional options, but for this tutorial, I'll click Skip this step. Then on the next screen, just click Submit and Build My Website. Now WordPress will import the full website for you. This usually only takes about a minute. And just like that, your professionally designed interior design website is built. Click View Your Website to see it live. Now let's customize it. At the top of the page, click Edit with Elementor. This opens Elementor's drag and drop editor where you can visually edit everything on your website in real time. Text, images, colors, layouts without touching any code. And this is where the fun begins. Now let's start by customizing the most important part of your website, the top section, also known as the Hero section. This is the first thing visitors see when they land on your site, so we want it to clearly represent your interior design business. First, let's go ahead and update this image here. If you want to remove the current image, just hover over it and click the trash can icon. To replace it, go ahead and click on the image area. From here, you can either upload a new image from your computer or choose one from your media library. I'm going to select an image I've already uploaded and click Select. And just like that, your new image is now applied. Try to choose a high quality image that represents your interior design style. This helps make your website look more professional. Now that the image looks the way we want, let's update the text so it reflects your interior design business. Click directly on the headline. You'll see the text appear in the left panel. Go ahead and change it to whatever you'd like. Once you've updated it, click the arrow next to Publish, then select Save Draft. To preview your changes, click the Preview Changes icon, and just like that, you've edited your first section using Elementor, no coding, just click, edit, and save. Now let's edit a button. Click directly on the button. From the left panel, you can change the button text and paste the URL into the link field. If you click the small settings icon next to the link, you can choose to open it in a new window, mark it as no follow. You likely won't need these right away, but it's good to know they're there. You can also add an icon by selecting Icon Library or uploading your own SVG. Under the Style tab, you can change text color, background color, and under Hover, you can customize how it looks when someone moves their mouse over it. This gives your site a more interactive, professional feel. Now, let's go ahead and change the background color for this section. Go ahead and right-click anywhere in this area and click Edit Container. Then navigate over to the Style tab. Under Color, you can choose any background color you'd like. You can keep it clean and minimal, or choose a color that matches your brand. For interior design websites, lighter and neutral colors usually work best to keep the design clean and modern. Now that we've updated the background color, let's scroll down and update the background image for this next section. To change the background image, right-click anywhere inside the top section and select Edit Container. Then go to the Style tab. At the top, you'll see Background Type. You can choose from Classic, Gradient, Video, or Slideshow. Right now, this section is set up as an image slider, but for most interior design websites, a single clean background image usually looks more modern and professional. So what we'll do is switch this to a single background image. If you prefer, you can keep the slider and update multiple images, but for this tutorial, we'll keep it simple with one image. I'll click Classic for a single image. If you want to remove the current image, hover over it and click the trash can icon. To replace it, click the image area. From here, you can either upload a new image from your computer or select one from your media library. I'm going to choose an image I've already uploaded and click Select. And just like that, the new background image is applied. Now let's make it look even more professional. Scroll down to Background Overlay. Next to Background Type, click Classic. Click into the Color option to choose an overlay color. This is helpful for improving readability and matching your brand colors. Below that, you'll see Opacity. Drag the slider to adjust how strong or subtle the overlay appears. This allows you to darken or lighten the background image so your text stands out clearly. Now let's customize the Services section so it reflects your actual interior design business. Scroll down until you see the section that lists the services. Click directly on one of the service boxes. In the left panel, you'll see the service title and description. Go ahead and change the title to one of the interior design services you offer. For example, residential interior design, commercial interior design, space planning, kitchen design, bathroom design, home staging, furniture and decor selection, color consultation, lighting design. Then update the description so it clearly explains what you provide. Keep it simple and clear. Focus on what you do and who you serve. You'll see the icon here. You can either upload your own icon or click Icon Library to choose one from the available icons. If you like to duplicate a service box instead of rebuilding it, right-click on the section and click Duplicate. Then simply edit the text to match another service you offer. You can also drag and rearrange the service boxes if you'd like to change the order. Remember, your goal here isn't just to list services. It's to clearly communicate what you specialize in and make it easy for potential clients to understand what you offer within seconds. And once you've updated your services, click Save Draft. If you offer detailed service pages, like a full page for residential design, kitchen design, or home staging, you can also link each service box to its own dedicated page. Just click on the service box, scroll down to the link field, and paste the URL of the page you want it to connect to. This helps improve navigation and makes your website feel more professional. Now let's scroll down to the portfolio section so you can showcase your work. Go ahead and click on one of the images here. Over on the left, you'll see the image carousel settings, along with the images currently being used. To remove the existing images, just click into the gallery and select the X icon to delete them. Now, to add your own images, click Add to Gallery. From here, you can upload images from your computer, choose images from your media library, or search for images to use. You can add as many images as you'd like for your portfolio. I'm going to select a few images I've already uploaded and click Add to Gallery. You can also update the captions for each image if you'd like. Once you're done, click Insert Gallery. And just like that, your images are now displayed in the portfolio carousel. This is where you can showcase your interior design projects and highlight your style to potential clients. Now, let me show you how to add new elements and sections to build out your site even further. Click the plus icon in the top left to open the Elements panel. From here, you can drag in widgets like headings, images, buttons, icon boxes, and many more. Simply drag the element into place and start customizing it immediately. You can edit content, change colors, adjust spacing, modify layout. If you want to duplicate something, right-click and select Duplicate. To remove it, right-click and choose Delete. Remember, nothing is permanent. Everything can be moved or changed at any time. If you want to add a brand new section, scroll to where you'd like it. Hover and click the plus icon. Click the plus icon again. Choose Flexbox, then select your layout structure. Now you can drag elements into this new section and build it out however you'd like. To move a section, click the 6 dots icon and drag it. To delete the section, hover and click the X. Finally, if you scroll down, you'll see the Starter Templates option. Click Blocks to browse pre-designed sections like testimonials, contact areas, or hero sections. If you find one you like, click it and click Import Block to add it instantly. This is a great way to expand your site quickly without designing everything from scratch. Now I want to go over the contact form and make sure it's set up correctly because this is how potential clients will reach you. First, let's save our changes. Click Save Draft. Next, click the preview icon to open your website. In the menu, click Contact. Scroll down and you'll see the contact form displayed on the page. Now let's customize it. Hover over your site title name at the top and click Dashboard. In the left side menu, click SureForms. If prompted, click Exit Guided Setup. At the top, click Forms. You'll see your contact form listed here. Click the Edit icon. This will open the form editor. To edit a field, simply click on it. You can change the field label text, adjust the field size, and drag fields up or down to rearrange them. On the right-hand side, you'll see additional settings. Here you can edit the error message, and help text, and placeholder text. Make the field required. Set a maximum number of characters. If you click on the button field, you can easily change the button text to something like schedule a consultation or submit inquiry. Now let's go over styling the form. Click anywhere outside the form fields to select the form container. On the right-hand side under Style, you can customize background color, primary color, text color, and more. If you click Field, you can adjust the spacing between fields. If you click Button, you can change the button alignment. Now let's go over form settings. At the top, click Form Settings. Then click Email Notification. You can toggle the admin email notification on or off. Click the pencil icon to edit it. Here you can change the notification name, the send to email address, the subject line, the confirmation message, the from name, the from email address. Make sure the send to email address is set to your actual business email so you can receive submissions. On the left-hand side, click Form Confirmation. Here you can edit your success message or choose to redirect users to a specific page or customize URL after submission. If you click Spam Protection, you can enable spam protection for your form. Once you're finished, click the X to exit form settings. Now click Save to apply your changes. Now your contact form is fully set up, and every time someone fills it out, the message will be sent directly to your email. I'm back here on the contact page. Now let's make sure your phone number is set up correctly. Click Edit with Elementor to bring up the editor for the page. Scroll to wherever your phone number appears. Click on it. In the link field, format it like this: TEL: phone number, no parentheses or hyphens. This makes the phone number clickable on mobile devices, so when someone taps it, it automatically starts a call. This is especially helpful for interior design businesses that want to make it easy for potential clients to request consultations or get in touch about their projects. Once you've updated it, click Save Draft. Now let's add a map so customers can easily find your business location. Go to the Map section. If the template you're using doesn't show a map, click the plus icon and search for the Google Maps widget. You can drag it to where you want it. Hover over the map and click the pencil icon to edit it. In the left panel, under Location, enter your full business address. You can adjust the zoom level to control how close the map appears and change the height to make it taller or shorter on the page. At the top of the screen, you may see a notification about adding a Google Maps API key. This is required for the map to display properly on your live website. Click the Create Your API Key link. This will take you to Google Cloud's platform. Scroll down and click Go to Credentials page. Then click Create Project. Enter a project name. You can simply use your business or website name and click Create. Once the project is created, Google will generate an API key. Copy this key. Now go back to the editor for the page. Click the Integration Settings link in a notification message. Paste your API key into the Google Maps API field and click Save Changes. Once saved, your map will display correctly on your live website. This setup only needs to be done once. After that, your map will continue working normally. If you don't have a physical office location, you can skip the map or display the city or service area instead. Now let me quickly show you a few important Elementor basics you should know. At the top right of Elementor, click Publish whenever you're ready to make your changes live. If you click the arrow next to it, you can save the page as a draft or even save it as a template to reuse later. If you ever want to preview your site, click the eye icon. You can also switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to make sure everything looks good on every device. If you click the Elementor icon in the top left, then click Exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon, it'll take you back to your WordPress dashboard. Under Pages, you can click Add Page to create additional pages like a Services page, About page, or Project page. Under Appearance, Menus, you can edit your navigation menu. From here, you can add new pages to the menu, rearrange items, create drop-down submenus, rename or remove menu items. Just drag items slightly to the right to create a submenu. Click Save Menu when you're finished. If you ever need extra features on your site, you can go to Plugins, Add Plugin, and search for additional functionality. There are thousands of plugins available to expand what your website can do. And that's the core of how WordPress works. Now, let's quickly look at the header. This is the top section of your website where your logo, navigation menu, and phone number usually appear. To edit it, go to Appearance, Customize. Here, you can click directly on elements like the logo, menu, or call to action button to edit them. You can move things around to get them how you'd like. If you click on the logo, you can upload your own business logo. If there's a call to action button like Let's Talk, you can edit the text and link here as well. To remove something, click the X button here next to it. Once you're done, click Publish to save your changes. Now scroll down to the bottom of your website to the footer. Here you can update things like business address, phone number, email, copyright text, just like shown in the header area. This is also a great place to add your service areas if needed. When you're finished, click Publish. To add a favicon, click the back arrow icon as many times as you can. Click Site Identity. You can now add or change the favicon to what you like. Now let's quickly update your global site styles so everything matches your brand. Click the back arrow icon as many times as you can. Click the global icon in the left side menu. Here you'll see options for colors, typography, buttons, and more. Click Colors. This is where you can set your primary brand color, for example, a soft neutral tone, warm beige, elegant black, or even a subtle navy, something that reflects your interior design style and builds trust with potential clients. When you update the primary color here, it will automatically update buttons and accent elements across your entire site. This saves a lot of time and keeps your design consistent. Now click Typography. Here you can adjust your global fonts for headings and body text. Choose something clean and professional. For your interior design websites, clean and elegant fonts work best for headings, paired with a simple, easy-to-read font for your body text. If you click Buttons, you can globally adjust the button style, including background color, text color, and hover effects. This ensures all buttons across your site look consistent. Once you're finished, click Publish to apply the changes. And just like that, your entire website has a consistent professional look. Now that everything is customized and ready to go, it's time to publish your website. Click Publish in Elementor to save all changes. Now open your website in a new tab and take a final look. Click through your pages, test your contact form, click your phone number, make sure everything works properly. And just like that, your interior design website is live. And that's it. You now have a fully functional, professional interior design website built with WordPress in Elementor without writing a single line of code. From here, you can continue adding a project gallery to showcase your interior design work, before and after transformations, client testimonials, detailed service pages for things like residential design, kitchen design, or home staging, or even consultation booking or contact form integrations. Your website can grow as your interior design business grows. Just remember, your website is often the first impression potential clients have of your business. So keep it updated, showcase your best work, keep your contact information clear, and continue refining it as you expand your services. And if you followed along using Bluehost, you now have reliable hosting that's ready to support your website as it grows. If you haven't grabbed hosting yet, I've left the discounted Bluehost link in the description below, where you can get up to 78% off plus a free domain name. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials. And if you have any questions while building your interior design website, drop them in the comments below. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.